Hello everyone, welcome back. Here in this video I'm going to show you how to show all the products in the home page. Here you can see these are dummy value, right? So we are going to actually show here all the product we have in our database. So here you can see we have few products, I mean three products. So we'll show it here in the latest product. Okay, so let's go to the code editor here, and in the we'll actually go for web.php route, and we have to see that from where actually we are getting the index page. Right here you can see return view index here. This is the index view, right? So we'll go for the index. Here you can see in the resources, then views, we have here index.blade.php. Here we actually showing everything. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to actually remove this function from here. Okay, so I'm going to say here that I'm going to use here user controller. So I will say user controller colon class, and here I'm going to say let's go to the home function. Okay, home function. So I'm going to make it a function. I'm going to say here home, and the name is index, right? No problem. So we'll go to the home function in the user controller. So let's go to the user controller here. So we'll go to the HTTP controllers, and then we have user controller here, and here we'll actually create a function, and that will be public function, then the function name home, and here I'm going to actually fetch all the data. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to say, let's say I want to return the index page from here, right? But with the value. So I'm going to say here, let's say products. So here we have to actually mention the products table. So I'm going to say use terminate. Not really. I'm going to actually mention here the model. So let's add the model. I will say use app /models /product, right? Yeah, we'll get all the product from here. So I'm going to say $product is, I'll say products, okay, is equal to new, not really, I will say product module and all function. So I'm going to actually send all the products in our database. So I'll say return view, that's it. And here I'm going to say the index file, index, because our date file is index file, right? Index, and here I'm going to compact the value. So I'm going to say compact method, and I'll say here the variable, that is products. Okay, that's it. So we'll actually go to the index file with the products values. Okay, so let's go copy it and go there, and we'll actually go for the all the products, right? Or actually we have shown all the products. Here you can see latest products. So we have all the products here after latest products, right? Yeah. So we have here row, and these are column, right? We have box here. So this is the first column. So we're going to actually keep only one single column, and we'll remove every single column. So after a row, I'm going to actually say here add for each, and here I'm going to say $products, and I will say as $product, and we'll show every single product here. So I'm going to copy it, front-end image. So this is for the image, right? So I'm going to actually remove the source. So, yeah, I need the source, right? Yeah. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use here this blade syntax, and here I'm going to say asset, because our image is inside asset, I mean public folder, right? So we have to say here products. Okay, so I will say products and slash, then dot the product table column name, and that is products product underscore image, right? If I go there, you can see product image, right? Yeah, and we have to actually end the for each. So let's go for the end of the div, and here we are going to actually say end for each. Okay, and let's go there and refresh. Here you can see we have only 3 items. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to actually now write one by one, and first one is h1 is ring, right? So this is maybe the title, so I'm going to show here the title, and let's go product title. We'll say here product title, but before that actually I have to copy this. Let's say I want to copy this and I want to paste it here, and let's remove this asset from here, and I'm going to actually cut it from here and change it to here. Okay, and now let's copy this. So this is the price. I'm going to paste it here. So this is the price, right? Yeah, I'm going to paste it here. You have to use $sign, new, right? Product title, we have price, so here we'll say product price. So let's go, we have product prices, and nothing else. So let's go there and refresh. Okay, here you can see we have the product title and then product price also, right? Okay, so that's it. So we have shown all the products from the database, right, in our home page, e-commerce home page. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching.